Ladies and gentlemen, let's see our research. Our title paper is Preservation of the Tasikmalaya Batik Motif with Turtle Graphics. My name is Ratna Dewi. Co-author is Aryesa Pandarwangi, Agus Priyono, and Andreas Bastian Lehmann. Let's see the introduction. Tasikmalaya Batik is predicted existed since the Tarumanegara Kingdom in 7th to 9th centuries. The discovery of the tarum trees as a material for making batik made this assumption even stronger. The split of the Mataram Kingdom in 17th century caused many residents of Kudus, Pekalongan, Tegal, and Banyumas, the majority of whom were batik craftsmen, to migrate to Tasikmalaya. This affected Tasikmalaya city batik. The characteristic of Tasikmalaya batik is the use of bright colors like red, green, and blue and green, due to the influence of coastal batik. The problem here is because the Tasikmalaya batik motif has not been digitally documented in the digital vector image. Existing batik motif need to be documented so that it remain eternal and can be passed down to generation. Digital batik documentation can be done by making batik photos, but if it's scale, they will be less obvious because it is a collection of bits or pixels. The other drawback is the bitmap images require more memory storage. In contrast with bitmap images, vector images good in scaling and requires less memory storage. Therefore, the documentation must be in the form of vector images. The advantage of using vector images is that they are very good at scaling to create better design quality, less memory and storage required. In this research, batik motifs are formed on the type of vector image using the Turtle graphic algorithm. The programming language used is Python in Google Collaboratory based algorithm Turtle Graphics of Lindenmayer Systems. This programming language can be accessed free of charge, which is expected to spur the younger generation to learn. The method in this research is descriptive, quantitative, and qualitative. The making of turtle motifs are described according to the step and description. The turtle graphic method is based on the motion of a turtle that can be moved forward, rotate to right, or rotate to left. With this simple algorithm combined with mathematical calculation, the lines that form the edge of batik motif are formed, so that by adjusting the direction of the turtle motion, the Tasikmalaya batik motif can be formed properly. Let's see the turtle example. This is the turtle. Go to the front and then rotate to the right, forward 3 steps, rotate to the right again, forward 2 steps, rotate to the right again, forward 2 steps, rotate to the left, forwards 1 step, rotate to the right, forward 1 step again. This is the basic of turtle graphics. The Tasikmalaya batik motifs tend to be simple and are generally strong in geometric patterns. Tasikmalaya traditional umbrella gelis that famous for its beauty means a beautiful umbrella in Sundanese. Tasikmalaya uses the umbrella gelis as a city symbol, like this. inspired by the local wisdom of Tasikmalaya. Batik in Tasikmalaya can be divided into traditional batik or classic batik and the modern batik. The difference between traditional batik and modern batik lies in the color, meaning, aesthetics, and the way it is made. This is the result and discussion of our research. Now we will discuss 4 Tasikmalaya batik motif. First, Tasikmalaya bilik batik motif, Tasikmalaya umbrella upside down batik motif, Tasikmalaya gelis umbrella batik motif, Tasikmalaya Sukapura leaf parang batik motif. Tasikmalaya bilik batik motif. Like this is a photo of bilik tunggal batik motif, and the second is photo of bilik dua-dua batik motif. Bilik in everyday life can be used for house walls, sitting mats, household items such as sieves, boboko, dulang, hihit, asepan, nyiru, and pipiti. Inspired by this bilik motif, batik is made with the bilik motif. This is the pseudocode vertical bilik motif, and the result of like this. And this is the pseudocode horizontal bilik motif, and the result is this. Repetition of vertical and horizontal bilik motif into bilik motif like this, and the reconstruction image, we have this image. This is the repetition of vertical and horizontal bilik motif into bilik dua-dua. This is the reconstruction. Okay, let's see the second motif. This is umbrella motif upside down from Tasikmalaya. This is the photo image, and this is a result of turtle graphic, and this is a repetition. The last is the reconstruction of image bilik motif. The third is Tasikmalaya gelis umbrella motif. This is the photo, this is the turtle graphic repetition, and this is the reconstruction image of the turtle. The last is Sukapura leaf parang batik motif. This is a turtle graphics motif. This is the photo of Sukapura leaf parang batik motif. This is the repetition of the parang leaf Tasikmalaya motif, and this is the reconstruction. Let's see the comparison of memory required for storage motif. We can be seen in table 6 is here. It appears that the memory required to store the turtle motif on file always smaller than the bitmap image storage. Let's see, this is the memory need for storage Python file. This is the image in black and white, and this is the memory used for the color image. We see that is less than the images. Let's see the quality of image and image bitmap image and vector image. Let's see the quality of both image, bitmap image, and vector image after scaling 1:2 against the original image. We see in 2 picture less clear quality bitmap image edge. The edge look blurry motif, whereas the vector image remains excellent image quality. This is the quality of both bitmap image and vector image after scaling 1:3 against the original image. We can see this in image the same is the previous. Let's see the conclusion of the article. In this research has been successfully made batik bilik, upside down umbrella motif, umbrella gelis motif, and leaf motif batik parang Sukapura Tasikmalaya. are successfully made using turtle graphic algorithm in Python. The memory for storing motif with a program using turtle graphics in IPYNB format is smaller than the memory for storing image in the JPEG format. The image quality of the reconstructed image scaled by the turtle graphics is better than the image quality of the photo image. This turtle graphic batik motif can be used by traditional batik makers when making initial drawing on the cloth, and then the batik craftsmen can color with chanting following the batik motif produced by the turtle graphic. The current generation can continue making batik by following batik motifs that have been made with turtle graph. The existing batik motif can be preserved by storing the motif digitally with a small memory and good quality. This is the reference we use for making this article. Thank you for your attention.